Don't have Adobe but need to sign a PDF? There are multiple free PDF editors online that you can Google, but for today's example, I will use pdfescape.com. First, download the form you need to sign. The registrar's office website has many common forms students encounter. Go to registrar.untdallas.edu and on the top menu bar, click on Forms. Scroll through and select the particular form you need to sign. I will use a change of major form since this is a common document that needs a student's signature. Once you have downloaded the form you need to sign and saved it somewhere you remember, go back to pdfescape.com and upload the file to the website. Once the file has been uploaded to this website, there are 6 tool options you can select that are text to type in the text, whiteout to remove any unwanted text or signatures, image to add an image, freehand to sign a form with your mouse cursor, link to add a hyperlink, and form field to add other PDF desired features. With the freehand tool, use your mouse to sign where a student's signature is required and click on the green icon with the white arrows pointing down on the left-hand side between the floppy disk save icon and the print icon to save and download the document. After downloading the PDF, your signature should now be showing up on the form.